Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Today's eye makeup tutorial is absolutely stunning. You can achieve this look using simple eyeshadows and it's super easy. You will learn this eye makeup in less than 5 minutes. So if you'd like to try out this makeup look, keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. I start by performing the cut crease technique, so take your favorite concealer and apply it with a small flat brush from the beginning of your eyelid, following the natural crease of your eye all the way to the end of the eyelid. I don't recommend using the concealer I'm using because it has low coverage and contains oils which might smudge and take longer to dry and making the process more difficult. Make sure to choose a concealer that dries quickly and gives you a clean matte finish for better results. If I want to explain this technique more easily, imagine that you are applying eyeliner, but instead of doing it close to the lash line, you will apply the concealer all over your eyelid in the area of the natural crease and create a wing at the end of the eyelid. Actually, you may not see good results on your first try, but don't worry, practice the step by step with me and you will achieve good results. Also, this eye makeup technique helps enhance the shape of your eyes and make them more beautiful, so be sure to give it a try at least once. Next, I use white eyeshadow. This step is optional because I wasn't satisfied with the color of my concealer and wanted it to be brighter. Also, using matte white eyeshadow helps the concealer dry a bit, so this step depends on your preference. Additionally, the eyeshadows I use are usually available in most eyeshadow palettes, so there is no need to find a specific color for this eye makeup. I also use a small brush to carefully apply white eyeshadow to the concealer, ensuring that all areas are well covered with the eyeshadow. Next, I use a flat brush and dip it into a light brown eyeshadow. I precisely applied this eyeshadow directly above the concealer in the crease area and blend it well. This creates a shadow effect and makes the cut crease more prominent. Make sure to blend the eyeshadow well so there are no harsh lines. Next, I use a blending brush or a fluffy brush and dip it into a dark brown eyeshadow. Apply the eyeshadow exactly in the middle of the eyelid and blend it well with the brush to avoid any harsh lines. You can gradually add more eyeshadow and blend it until you're satisfied with the color intensity. Take your time to blend the eyeshadow well. I understand that blending can be a bit time consuming, so I've adjusted the speed of this part of the video to make it faster for you. I'm in love with eye makeup in brown tones and this eye makeup looks special and beautiful to me. The next step is to use a powdered glitter eyeshadow using an eyeliner brush. I draw a curved line starting from the inner corner of my eyelid and extend it towards the center of the crease area. This step can be a bit challenging with a powdered eyeshadow, so if you use a glitter eyeliner, it will make the process easier for you. Additionally, depending on your preference, you can use brown and gold shades instead of white glitter, which will make the eye makeup more sparkling, radiant and beautiful. I use this style of eyeliner as well. I usually extend the eyeliner to the center of my eyelid because it suits the shape of my eyes better. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this video so far. This eye makeup is truly beautiful and suitable for special occasions. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Also, if you're interested in makeup content, I upload tutorial videos every week, so subscribe to my channel to not miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye!